Working at home was very difficult for me. Reason being, getting involved in household chores. Here, I can actually concentrate on my work, and my productivity is also very high here.
I would like to inform you that team here is taking care of all the precautions related to coronavirus.
और इस सेफ्टी को लेते हुए मैंने ये प्रॉपर्टी दोबारा सेलेक्ट करी इन द कोविड टाइम ऑफ पीरियड। और आज मेरे को कोविड में यहाँ कम से कम 4 से 5 महीने दोबारा हो गए हैं काम करते हुए, और कॉन्टिन्यूटी में मेरे को 2 साल हो चुके हैं यहाँ पे काम करते हुए।
Hi, are you facing lack of productivity while working at home? Or are you feeling distracted from your family members while working at home? If yes, you're watching this video right, because in this video आज हम कवर करने एक ऐसा co-working space जो work from home नहीं, work from co-working space को बढ़ावा दे रहा है, और इसी के साथ साथ अपनी productivity को और enhance कर सकते हो और अच्छा काम कर सकते हो। So आइए चलिए और explore करते हैं इस co-working space को।
Welcome to Let's Connect. My name is Pyali Dasgupta and I am the community manager here. Please come in to find and explore more about Let's Connect. As you said, work from co-working is the best thing that's emerging nowadays, as work from home stands a little difficult for some. To make sure that people feel safe and protected in this COVID situation, we are taking care of all the government guidelines. While entering Let's Connect, go through temperature screening. And also, one will have to present Aarogya Setu app in their phone. Once inside, they can sanitize their hands and use a seat according to their comfort. The high traffic areas like reception, cafeteria, washrooms, or the door handles are kept on sanitizing frequently by our team members. Once someone leaves for the day, the workspace, be it open or enclosed, is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized for the next use. Let's hear it out from our in-house clients about their experiences being at Let's Connect.
Hi, I'm Dr. Surbhi, PhD in Sustainable Packaging. I work as a Senior Design Fellow in Lady Oven College. I recently started coming to this place, Let's Connect. It offers a very healthy environment to work. This place offers a very quiet environment, quiet places, and also some engaging common places where you can actually talk to people and communicate. Also, I'm really liking the place here because the staff is very friendly and the coffee is really amazing here. Working at home was very difficult for me. Reason being, getting involved in household chores. Here, I can actually concentrate on my work, and my productivity is also very high here. So it's a very good place.
So there have been communities who trusted us before this pandemic and who trusted us post this pandemic also. We would like to hear it out from them only. Let's hear it out from them.
Hi, I'm Gaurav Sharma. I'm running an advertising agency in Let's Connect building, and my agency name is So Media. I'm using this property from last 2 years. और कोविड से पहले बहुत अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी इनकी थी, नई प्रॉपर्टी बनी है, बहुत अच्छा इनका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, बहुत अच्छे इनकी सर्विसेज है। बट कोविड के टाइम में घर से मैंने काम शुरू किया, बट घर पे जो काम इन्वायरमेंट जो होता है एक ऑफिस का, वो वहाँ पे मुझे नहीं मिल पाया। देन आई चूज़ दिस प्रॉपर्टी अगेन ड्यू टू सम रीज़न। तो जब मैं यहाँ आया दोबारा, तो उन्होंने अपने सारे प्रिकॉशंस दिखाए कि किस तरीके से ये अपनी प्रॉपर्टी को सेव कर पा रहे हैं। और वो आके मुझे वाकई फील हुआ कि घर बैठ के जो काम मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, वो यहाँ आके मैं और बेटर वे में निकाल सकता हूँ। जो मेरा आउटपुट है वो और बेटर तरीके से निकल सकता है।
Hello, I am Piyush Khatri. I am the co-founder and director of Algodome Media LLP. We are here with Let's Connect for last 2.5 years. We are one of the very first teams here. The experience which we had was very good, and I would like to say that when we joined, we were 2 people, and then we increased our team to 10. I would like to inform you that a team here is taking care of all the precautions related to coronavirus, and that's why we felt that we should start again for the office, and that was a very good decision which we took.
It's been enough of work from home now. अब work from home नहीं, work from Let's Connect होगा. Drop us a chance to serve you the best at Let's Connect Co-working Space. Thank you.